Sri Lankan warm heart to this Congress. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Manil, for your wonderful address. And next, I would like to invite Mr. Beri Bahadur Tamang, Chairman of Sri Lanka, South Asian Wushu Federation, to address this distinguished gathering.
All the respected delegates, dignitaries present at the South Asian Wushu Congress, Honorable Yes Achudan, Director General of Sports Development Department, Honorable Mr. Bhupendra Singh Bajwa, Executive Committee Member, Wushu Federation of Asia, Honorable Mr. Manil Dharmakriti, Secretary General, South Asian Wushu Federation, Honorable Mr. Aruna Bandara, Secretary, Minister of Sports, Honorable Madam Ji Lee, Counselor of Cultural Affairs, Embassy of the People's Republic of China, Honorable Mr. Preeti Janaka, Pera Vice President, National Olympic Committee, Sri Lanka, as well as representative of the various South Asian countries, players, delegates, and all the dignitaries on the dais, and various our South Asian countries, ambassador, embassy counselor from Nepal, Pakistan, Maldives, Bangladesh, and all the dignitaries. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude and sincere thanks to our friendly nation, Sri Lanka, and the team led by the Secretary General of the South Asian Wushu Federation, Mr. Manil Dharmakriti, for organizing the South Asian Wushu Congress here in Colombo. Wushu in South Asia was initiated from the Nepal, already from the Mr. Secretary General Manil Dharmakriti, everything he told as before. So, and the first South Asian Wushu Championship was successfully organized in the year 2000 in Nepal. After that, therefore, during the 10th South Asian Games in 2006, our friendly nation Sri Lanka included Wushu and successfully hosted the first South Asian Wushu Games for the remarkable achievement. And I would also like to extend my sincere appreciation and gratitude to the Sri Lanka Wushu Federation, the Sports Department of Sri Lanka, and the National Olympic Committee of Sri Lanka. Continuing this proud legacy, Nepal also successfully organized the Wushu event during the 13th South Asian Games in Nepal, 2019, and furthermore, third participation in various international competitions organized by the International Wushu Federation. We have felt immense pride in the achievements of the South Asian Wushu Federation, South Asian nations, and especially the gold medal and other honors won by our friendly nation, India. Therefore, I am confident that this Congress will select capable leadership that can provide the right direction for the future of South Asian Wushu Federation, ensuring the sustainable development and expansion of Wushu throughout the South Asian region in the coming years. Finally, on behalf of Nepal Wushu Federation family and personally, I would like to express my best wishes for grand success of the South Asian Wushu Congress. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Tamang, for addressing the gathering. And now my invitation goes out to Mr. Bhupendra Singh Bajwa, Executive Committee Member of the Wushu Federation of Asia.